Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome once again. And in 10 minutes, I'm going to try in 10 minutes, I'm going to be sharing with you everything about JAMB. Okay, because I see a lot of students that don't know practically anything about JAMB. So please stay with me to the end. Okay, everything right from the meaning to your post-UTME, everything about the JAMB examination. Okay, so let's go now. Okay, so what's JAMB? The meaning of JAMB is what? Joint Admissions and Matriculations Board. And you might have been hearing UTME. What is UTME? It is being organized, conducted by JAMB. So what is UTME? Is a Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination. It's an exam in Nigeria that enables you to gain admission into university, that makes you transition from secondary school into university. Or even if you didn't do secondary school, as far as you have your WAEC, okay, maybe you did GCE, okay, and besides, if you want to do GCE, you can come contact me. We do register students. Okay, you did GCE and you have to still take JAMB to get into university. And some of you might be saying it's the only JAMB that you use to get in university. There are some programs in universities that you, it's not necessary you use JAMB, you just your WAEC. Your WAEC is very important. I have some of this program at hand. If you're interested in that, let me know. Okay, that's for maybe you've tried JAMB severally, or you're working, you don't want to use JAMB and all that, you want to do part-time courses and all that, or online distant learning courses. Okay, so so your university, so when you so that is the meaning of JAMB. Now, what's the structure of JAMB? The structure is that you have to take 4 subjects. All right, and what determines that 4 subjects? Your course, your university course. Okay, English is compulsory, then the remaining 3 is dependent on your 4 subjects. Okay, English is compulsory for everyone. Hold on. All right, okay, so it's dependent on your course. Now, I know you'll be asking me what's the subject combination. Check the DTW CBT app, you're going to get it. Okay, and but nevertheless, I'm preparing like a document, a sheet where you can go and check. Okay, and just join our groups. I will soon share that video, that particular PDF sheet. So, and I'm going to do a video about it. Okay, but what is very important, that no matter how you search on Google on your subject combination, or somebody told you, you have to confirm from your university, the department, what subject combinations do they require, do they accept, okay, before you go and fill into your JAMB form. Okay, on your JAMB form. Now, what is the structure of the exam? It is CBT, computer based. Please, if you don't know how to use the computer, don't worry, when we get to registration, I will tell you about the mock. Okay, just register for mock, select mock. Yes, it's another additional 1,500, but do the mock so you have a feel. Or if you don't have the money, go to a cyber cafe, play around with your friend's system. I have also done a video on how to use the computer, okay, during your JAMB exam. I'll also try to do that video again. Join our groups. I'm going to share all those things, okay, so you're updated. So it's a CBT test by computer. All right, and the exam is 2 hours. 2 hours for all your 4 subjects, not just for one subject, 4 subjects. So it's a test of speed and accuracy. Okay, so 2 hours for 4 subjects. And let me tell you how many questions you have. English is 60, then the remaining 3 subjects, you have 40, 40, 40. So total of 180 questions. Are you with me? So 180 questions in 2 hours, and that is, it comes to 40 seconds for one question. So for you to answer one question, you have 40 seconds. So you see, it's a test of speed and accuracy. Okay, so you need to read and cover your syllabus. Okay, that takes me to your JAMB syllabus now. There's a scheme of work you need to have. Everything is in the DTW groups. Please go and check it. Enter it. Okay, the links to our groups are in the video description box of this video, or my profile bio. Okay, you will see the links. Okay, just click on it. You see the links, or WhatsApp me. I will share the links with you. Join those groups. I am constantly sharing it. On the Telegram group is already there. Facebook group is already there. Just go to 5 sections and download your JAMB syllabus. So you need what? 40 seconds for one question, to answer one question. Are you with me? That's why I always tell students, you need the DTW JAMB CBT app, where all your digital past questions are. The timer is there to help you practice and know how to answer questions on that speed, with speed and accuracy, pressure on your brain, you need the DTW JAMB CBT app. Please kindly get it. It's 4,000 naira to activate it for 1 year. It has all your digital, you see all those things in your paper book that you carry around, everything is in the app. You have a phone now. This is a technology age. Utilize it so that you will pass your exam. JAMB is all about practice, practice, and practice. Getting your speed right, getting accuracy right. That is what JAMB is about. So make sure you get the DTW JAMB 2025 CBT practice app. All right, so 40 seconds for one question. Now, what's the second thing? Is your what? The second thing is on JAMB registration. NIM is compulsory. So you must have heard, I've been shouting since November, go and do your NIM. If you have not yet done it, please go and do your NIM so that it comes out quickly. All right, registration for JAMB starts 31st of January 2025. That's this Friday coming. Okay, and you need to generate your profile code. Please, how to generate your profile code is you type NIM, capital letter, 1 space, then your NIM number. All right, send to 55019 and it will send you that profile code. Okay, so please, if you're having any profile code issues, it's saying I have done a video on our channel, just go and watch the video. But if you are still having issues, please contact me because of time. Okay, now, so it's saying so the next thing now, you always ask me, what is e-pin? JAMB e-pin is the form itself. Okay, it is not paper book again. Someone just contacted me that she paid 78 for one form, they fill it out, and she was scammed. All right, it is not that. I have to tell her that you have to go to a JAMB CBT approved centers. I have shared the list. Oh, see, everything is on the groups. Please join the group so you are updated. Join our channel, our Facebook group, you are updated. Our WhatsApp group, join. I have shared the approved list there. Go and check it. Is that approved? You go in your states where the CBT center is and go to that place. Okay, where close to you, the address, go there. That is where you will register, not a cyber cafe, not somebody calling you for a form. No, you will go to a bank, okay, or agents. As I said, I might be selling the e-pins, but I'm not sure yet, but I will let you know by Friday if I will be selling the e-pins, because I'm trying to get a very good authentic source for the e-pins. Okay, that's the form itself, JAMB form. But nevertheless, you can always go to a bank. When you go to the CBT center, they will always direct you to a particular bank that would sell. Okay, so go there, purchase the e-pin. So with that e-pin and your profile code, that's those two things now you take to your JAMB, the CBT center, approved CBT center, and you will now fill your details. You know, I've shared the JAMB template form where you write your choice of university, everything, your work result. I've shared it. It's also on our groups. Join our groups. It is there. Okay, so you know, you just fill all those things first before you go to this approved center. Okay, so when you go there, they will even give you one there. Okay, you sit down, fill everything up. You now give them all your name, your details, and everything. They'll type on the computer system, put your thumbprint, and do your capture, and you know, it's synchronized with the NIM database. And please make sure nobody puts you under pressure. Check that all your details are right before they click submit. Do you understand me? Check all your details are right before they click work submit. So check all your details where you are satisfied. Your email, please. Anyway, I'm going to do a video again on mistakes to avoid doing registration. Make sure your email is correctly spelled on that system. Your password, keep all those data, please, because you need it. Is compulsory. You have to access your JAMB portal where you'll be accepting your admission. Don't misplace all this information. Very critical. Okay, so you take it to the approved center, your e-pin, all right, and your profile code. Remember, your e-pin is not generated anyway. It is the one that is bought, is the form. All right, so you go to a bank or agent and you buy it, and when they give you that pin, you take it along with your profile code and go to a JAMB CBT center to register. Cross-check all your details. They will capture you. They will do your thumbprint, and when they submit, they will give you the final print. That final print shows every of your details. Your JAMB registration number will be there. Your exam center will not be there. Okay, that takes me to point 3. Your exam center will not be there. There will be a time that JAMB will now announce, oh, go and print out your exam information, your center, your date, your time. Then I will also announce it, and you just go print it out cheap. It's not expensive. You print it out on that sheet. Now that's where you see all your details. You see where you are going to sit for it, the dates. JAMB is starting 25th of April. Okay, you see your date, you see your time. Okay, so okay, so that's that. So number 14, your exam day. Your exam day, make sure you are very early. If your exam starts for 8, make sure you are at that center by 6. Are you with me? Because you are going to be there will be what we call biometric authentication. What does this mean? Is to show that nobody else is coming to sit for your exam. So they will authenticate you again, show that it is you, through NIM, everything. JAMB did this to curtail, to cut out all those people wanting to sit for exams for people. There is biometric. Make sure you do it. Make sure you do it. You can't even enter the exam hall without doing it. So better come early, because at a particular time for a particular exam slot, they will close biometric authentication. So no exam for you. So go early, do your authentication again, then enter the exam hall. So people always ask me, will they give me, I'm calculating, will they give me rough sheet? Some centers might not, some centers might. Just carry your own white sheet of paper, or maybe that your printout, exam printout, if they allow you, you go into with it to your exam. Okay, so the 15 now is, yes, your results. You ask, when will my results come out? Usually from how many days, from how many years now? 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. It doesn't even get up to 3 weeks. 2 weeks, your exam results will come out. And don't worry, I'm with you. I would show you how to get your exam, your results. You always do it on the phone number you use to generate your profile code. So please don't misplace that phone number. And maybe in case you misplace your own phone number, you have to wait. Okay, you wait I think 2 months or so, 3 months to access it on your JAMB portal. Oh, we've already gone past 10 minutes. So I want to quickly round up. Okay, so that's for results. Then the next thing again you have to do, I just want to quickly break this down. So please listen to the end. The next thing again you have to do is your WAEC results uploading. Okay, you have to upload it on your portal. Very critical. Some of us did, when you're doing your registration, you did awaiting results. Even if you don't do awaiting result, please, after you see your results, go and re-upload again. Okay, because when your WAEC, you sit for WAEC May, June. So WAEC results usually comes out August, first week of August or thereabout. Immediately it comes out, check it. Yes, please make sure you go to our store, DTW Edu Store. We sell a WAEC results checker scratch card. So please patronize us, all right? We sell it online. You can also contact me, all right? We sell, and you use the pin to check your results. So when you check your results, you will now go to your portal and upload it. Don't worry, we'll direct you on that. And upload it. Why is this important? Because of admission processing. The school goes to your portal. There's a central admission process. It's called CAPS by JAMB. So the school is connected to JAMB. All right, and it sees your backend. Every candidate that applies to that school, they see it. Okay, so you need to upload your WAEC, because it's very important. Every school uses your WAEC, okay, as part of the aggregate admission score. Okay, so please, for WAEC candidates, make sure you write your exams well, do well, get all your A's you can get, because it's going to boost your admission chances. Some schools do post-UTME, some don't. Okay, some they just use your JAMB score and your WAEC result. Why some use your WAEC result, post-UTME, and JAMB score. But the WAEC is always constant there. Your WAEC result is always used. Okay, so make sure you upload your WAEC results after you see your JAMB. After your WAEC result is being released, check it and upload it. Okay, and what do I want? I wanted something just skip my mind. Yeah, check it and upload it, but I hope it comes. So after that, the 17th now is post-UTME registration and exam dates. Don't worry, be on the groups. We are going to be, and now updates every school, their post-UTME. When their post-UTME form is out, when registration is on, it will be live. We are here for you throughout. Your registration will even help you your registration, okay, at a fee, all right? So also I will also announce to you when the portal is open. There's a time frame when portal is open for WAEC. I think that's what I wanted to say, to upload your WAEC result, and also to do change of course, change of institution. After you've seen your your JAMB results, you want to change your course, you want to change your institution, I would also announce it when the portal is open for you to now go to your JAMB caps. You usually you have to go to that same approved CBT center to do change of university and change of course. They will charge you. There's an amount to that. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. Oh, 15 minutes, thank God. So yeah, so that's it about JAMB. Okay, that's everything JAMB from beginning to the end. All right, and if there's any more, make sure you're on our DTW groups. Okay, and also if you want to join our online classes, please, we do online classes. So hey, see me, I didn't announce, we do online classes, live online classes. You can join us today. In February, we are starting again afresh from the beginning of the syllabus on our WhatsApp brainstorming session. Okay, you join today, all our recorded videos, we are going to give you access to it. From November, you join. We started classes. Okay, so apart from our online classes, live classes, we're also going to be doing WAEC. Okay, also going to be doing WAEC what? WAEC, I said WAEC. We're also going to be doing WhatsApp brainstorming. Are you with me? So we are here for you to make sure you pass. So apart from that, we're going to be doing WhatsApp brainstorming. Our teachers are coming in on the group in February, and you know, you just have 3 months. So don't give up, don't lose hope. There is still enough time. Like, how many students have messaged me, Ma, is this still possible? It's possible. You have 3 months. You can use 2 months to cover your syllabus. That's what brings me now to using the DTW JAMB 30 days challenge syllabus. I have done it for you, framed it for you. Is on the groups. Please, I want you guys to share this video. Please, to everyone, share to your friends, family, and loved ones that don't know anything about JAMB. All right, you can still do it. 3 months, cover it in 2 months. 2 months, just lock yourself up. Get your textbook, recommended textbook. For your recommended textbook, it's also in our groups. I share the links there. Okay, sit and just read. Use the syllabus, the challenge syllabus, finish it up. Then the last month, get the DTW JAMB CBT app and practice, chew on practice. I tell you, you will get above 250. If you do it very well, you will even get 290 that you want to start reading now. You can do it. You are destined to win. Do you understand me? You are destined to win. So that's all about JAMB. I'm sorry I couldn't compress this into 10 minutes. I thought I could. Okay, but this is all about JAMB. Don't be scared. Okay? Just put in the work. Use the strategies I'm telling you. Join our groups. I'm always with you, praying for you. Just join. Subscribe, follow us, and do make sure you share. You are blessed and destined to win. And finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Okay, please give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. In Him is success. In Him is wealth. In Him is divine protection, is favor. Everything is in Christ today, is in Christ tomorrow, is in Christ forever, till eternity. Are you with me? Come to Jesus today. You are destined to win. See you in the groups. See you. If you have any issues or problems, my WhatsApp details, you see it. Just WhatsApp me, okay? I will try to, just, even if I delay, I would attend to you, okay? You are blessed and destined to win. Take care.